Every pretty girl has one secret: confidence, and it all starts with hygiene, hair, and habits. Looking good isn't about expensive products, it's about smart habits. Today, I'll share hygiene, hair, and lifestyle hacks that will completely transform your confidence and solve the ultimate pretty girl problems. 1. Daily shower and body hygiene. And here's where it gets even more real: body hygiene. Let me tell you, smelling fresh isn't optional. It's a non-negotiable. You can wear the prettiest dress and the fanciest makeup, but if your hygiene slips, confidence just vanishes. According to me, a shower isn't just about rinsing off dirt, it's about resetting your entire vibe. Use a mild body wash, not something that strips your skin. I must say, exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week is a total game changer. Your skin feels smoother, brighter, almost like it's breathing again. And don't forget the intimate areas. Wash them properly and gently, not with harsh soaps. That's what keeps infections away and you feel fresh all day. Think about it. Have you ever stood next to someone who smelled clean? You notice them immediately. That's the power of hygiene. It makes you magnetic without even trying. 2. Oral hygiene glow up. But wait, it's about to get way more personal. Your smile. A pretty girl's glow up isn't complete without fresh breath and a clean mouth. Brushing twice daily sounds basic, right? But most people skip the tongue cleaning, and that's where bad breath hides. You know what's crazy? A simple tongue scraper can change the entire way you feel when you talk. Suddenly, conversations don't feel awkward. You're not second-guessing your breath. There's also oil pulling. If you've never tried it, swishing coconut oil in the morning feels strange at first, but it naturally freshens your breath and even helps with gum health. Mouthwash works too, if you prefer quicker routines. And here's a secret hack: baking soda once in a while for gentle whitening. Not daily, not obsessively, just occasionally. Your teeth look brighter and your confidence spikes. Seriously, when your mouth feels clean, you talk differently, you laugh louder, and you smile wider. 3. Skincare basics. Less is more. Here's the part that blew my mind. Skin doesn't need 10 bottles lined up like a science lab. Less really is more. According to me, skincare comes down to 3 holy grail steps: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Cleanser takes off the dirt, moisturizer locks in hydration, and sunscreen protects from aging before it even starts. It sounds too simple, but that's the point. You know what's crazy? People pile on serum after serum, toners, essences, and overnight masks, and then wonder why their skin breaks out. It's the overload, not the lack. Your skin just wants balance, not a chemical buffet. And let me tell you something important. Patch, test new products. I learned this the hard way. Excitedly slathered on a new cream and woke up with red patches. Don't be me. Try it on a small spot first. Glowing skin isn't about more steps. It's about the right ones, done consistently. 4. Healthy hair wash routine. But just when you think it ends with skincare, nope, the hair routine kicks in. Washing hair is an art, not a random splash of shampoo. Here's the truth. Shampooing every day? Big mistake. It strips natural oils and makes hair dull. 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot. Enough to stay clean, not enough to dry you out. Now this part is underrated: scalp massage. Seriously, take those few extra minutes. The circulation boost is insane and it actually supports hair growth. Plus, it feels like therapy at home. And please ditch that rough cotton towel. Switch to microfiber. It sounds small, but the difference is crazy. Less frizz, fewer split ends, and your hair dries faster. Think about it. Healthy hair isn't about salon visits. It's about these small tweaks in your wash routine that quietly build shine and strength. 5. Hair care extras. And here's where it gets even juicier: the extras. Because the wash is only half the story. Oiling once a week? I swear it's like giving your hair a spa day. Coconut, argan, or almond oil. Pick your favorite and massage it in. Let it sit, wash it out, and watch your strands thank you. But here's the trap most girls fall into: heat tools, straighteners, curlers, and constant blow drying. Sure, it looks good for a night out, but long term, it kills shine, weakens roots, and you end up fighting frizz forever. Try to keep heat styling as rare as possible. And this one's my personal favorite hack: silk pillowcases. At first, I thought it was just an Instagram aesthetic thing. But no, it actually reduces breakage, keeps hair smooth, and even helps with skin. Waking up with fewer tangles? Game changer. Pretty girl hair isn't complicated. It's consistent care plus smart protection. 6. Smell good secrets. And here's the truth nobody says out loud: nothing kills pretty girl energy faster than bad odor. Perfume isn't magic if the basics are missing. Hygiene first, always. Layering is the secret sauce. Start with a clean shower, of course. Then a light deodorant, maybe even a body mist, and finally your perfume. That combo? It lingers longer and feels natural, not overwhelming. Here's the hack: apply perfume on pulse points, wrists, behind ears, even a dab on your collarbone. Heat from those spots makes the scent bloom throughout the day. But don't get it twisted. Perfume should enhance, not hide. If you're skipping showers and just spraying extra, trust me, people can tell. Smelling good isn't a luxury, it's confidence bottled up. 7. Hands and nails. This part seems tiny, but it changes everything. Your hands. People notice them way more than you think. Keeping nails neat and trimmed instantly makes you look polished, even with zero makeup. You don't need long extensions or fancy designs. Clean and healthy is already powerful. I must say, carrying a hand cream in your bag is a small but smart habit. Soft hands feel good, and they say a lot about self-care. It's like a quiet flex. And for nails, pastel shades, light pinks, nudes, even a soft beige. Classy every single time. They match everything, they look expensive, and they give off that effortless, put-together vibe. It's funny. Something as simple as your hands can either scream messy or whisper elegantly. Which one are you saying is yours? 8. Pretty girl closet hygiene. Now let's step inside the closet because hygiene doesn't stop at the bathroom. Fresh clothes make all the difference. Washing them properly, not just a quick rinse, keeps them soft, bright, and smelling clean. You can't feel pretty if your outfit feels stale. And this one's a must. Undergarments. Wear fresh ones daily, no excuses. It's about comfort, hygiene, and yes, confidence. That tiny switch makes you carry yourself differently. Here's a trick most girls skip: airing out your wardrobe. Open it, let it breathe. Musty smells creep in when clothes are packed tightly. A few hours of fresh air or even a fabric sachet keeps everything crisp. Imagine putting on a dress that smells like sunlight and breeze instead of a damp corner. That's the energy you want to wear. 9. Diet and hydration glow. Here's the glow up nobody wants to admit. It doesn't come from Sephora. It comes from your kitchen. Water is the cheapest beauty hack in the world, but most people still ignore it. When you drink enough, your skin literally thanks you. Plump, soft, alive. Dehydration, on the other hand? Dull skin, tired eyes, cracked lips. You can't fake hydration with makeup. And then fruits and veggies, they're like natural filters for your body. Oranges, cucumbers, and berries, filled with vitamins your skin loves. It's wild how your face reflects what's on your plate. But sugar? That's the villain here. Too much of it spikes acne, bloats your skin, and even speeds up aging. I've seen it firsthand. Cut sugar for 2 weeks and suddenly breakouts calm down. A pretty girl's glow doesn't start with products. It starts with what you sip and snack on daily. 10. Fitness and movement. This part blew my mind. Your body language is half your beauty, and fitness plays a huge role in that. A simple daily walk or even 15 minutes of yoga changes your posture, your mood, and your energy. It's not about six-pack abs. It's about how you carry yourself. Stand taller, shoulders back, chin up. You instantly look more confident, more magnetic. People notice. According to me, it's not even the workout itself. It's the vibe it gives you. You know what's crazy? Girls who move daily glow differently. Their energy feels lighter, stronger, and more attractive. And that's what pretty girl energy is. It's not just looks, it's presence. So even if you can't hit the gym, move your body. That small commitment adds up in ways beauty products never can. 11. Sleep routine. And here's the secret no one tells you. Pretty girls guard their sleep like treasure. 7 to 8 hours isn't lazy. It's essential. Your body heals, your skin repairs, and your mind resets. Miss it, and the dark circles and dullness will betray you instantly. Nighttime routines matter too. A quick cleanse, moisturizer, and maybe a satin pillowcase. That combo protects both skin and hair while you rest. Waking up with fewer creases and smoother hair? Worth it. And please cut off the blue light before bed. Scrolling on Instagram at 2 a.m. might feel fun, but it wrecks your sleep quality. Trust me, nothing ages you faster than bad rest. Sleep isn't just rest. It's your silent beauty treatment every single night. 12. Feminine hygiene. And this one, honestly, it's the most personal but the most important. Feminine hygiene. Periods aren't just about surviving cramps. They're about staying clean and safe. Changing pads or tampons on time is non-negotiable. Stretch them too long and you risk infections, odor, and even serious health issues. An intimate wash? Only if it's gentle and pH balanced. Skip the harsh soaps that dry you out and throw your body off balance. The goal is freshness, not stripping. And cotton underwear. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. It lets your skin breathe, keeps sweat away, and reduces irritation. Cute lace is fine for occasions, but cotton is the everyday queen. At the end of the day, this is the stuff that makes you feel comfortable in your own skin. And that comfort? It shows. 13. Grooming and small details. This part blew my mind because it's the tiny details that make the biggest difference. Eyebrows. Get them shaped. Not overplucked, not neglected, just clean and defined. They frame your whole face, and suddenly your features look sharper without a drop of makeup. Lip balm? Always. Dry, cracked lips can ruin a look faster than anything. A little tinted balm and you're instantly fresher. And yes, removing unwanted hair. It's not about beauty standards, it's about neatness. Shaving, waxing, trimming, whatever makes you comfortable. But staying tidy shows care. I swear, it's these little habits that whisper, put together. People can't even tell what changed, but they feel it. You just look more polished, more intentional. Pretty girl vibes aren't loud. They're subtle. It's all in the details. 14. Confidence-building habits. Now here's the twist. Everything we've said so far means nothing without confidence. Positive affirmations sound cheesy, I know. But speaking kindly to yourself every morning rewires your brain. Saying, I'm enough, I'm beautiful, I deserve good things. It changes how you show up in the world. And please, stop comparing on social media. Scrolling through curated feeds and judging yourself against them is poison. You're seeing highlights, not reality. Real pretty girl energy comes when you focus inward, not outward. Body language seals the deal. Stand tall, shoulders back, eye contact strong, smile soft. You don't even have to say a word. People already read you as confident. Here's the wild part. The more you act confident, the more you become confident. It's not fake. It's practice. And soon it's just you. Confidence isn't something you buy. It's something you build. One habit at a time. 15. Daily rituals. Pretty girl energy. And here's the final piece of the puzzle. The rituals that shape your vibe every single day. Journaling might sound old school, but writing your thoughts clears your head like nothing else. You see patterns, you track progress, and you get real with yourself. That kind of self-awareness, it radiates confidence. Then there's gratitude. Just 3 things every night. Small wins, good moments, and people you love. It shifts your brain from lack to abundance. And people who live in gratitude? They carry a glow no highlighter can match. And my favorite, dressing up even for yourself. Not for school, not for a date, not for Instagram. For you. When you put effort into your look, even on a random Tuesday, you remind yourself you're worth it. These rituals are invisible to others, but powerful within. And that inner energy? That's what people feel when you walk into a room. Pretty girl energy isn't about perfection. It's about confidence built through hygiene, hair, and habits. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll glow differently. Remember, beauty fades, but habits make you unforgettable. Which habit will you start today?